Welcome to today's German lesson. German is full of colorful expressions, and if you translate them literally, they sound totally bonkers. Like, he only understands train station. Today, we're breaking down 15 German idioms you'll actually hear what they literally mean and what they actually mean. An idiom is a phrase that doesn't mean what the words literally mean. For example, in English, you might say it's raining cats and dogs. There's no animals falling from the sky, just heavy rain. And German has tons of idioms like this. So we're going to explore some of the funnest and most confusing ones. Number 1 is Ich verstehe nur Bahnhof. Literally, I only understand train station. The real meaning is, I don't understand anything. Let's say you're sitting with your friends and they start talking about the German Bundesliga and everyone's nodding along except you. You're just sitting there like, ich verstehe nur Bahnhof. This idiom is perfect when you're lost in a topic, not literally at the train station, but your brain might as well be waiting for a train. Next we have, Da steppt der Bär. That means the bear dances there. The meaning is that place is really lively or fun. If your friend invites you to a party and you ask, is it worth going? They might say, Klar, da steppt der Bär. Expect a wild dance floor, neon lights, techno music, and maybe even someone in a bear costume. Next we have einen Vogel haben. This means to have a bird. This idiom means to be crazy. Your roommate decides to knit sweaters for their house plants. You don't even blink. You just say, Du hast doch einen Vogel. Here's a cultural add-on. You can also tap your finger to your temple when you say this. It's a common gesture that makes this idiom even more expressive. Number 4 is die Katze im Sack kaufen. To buy the cat in the sack. It means to buy something without checking it first. Let's say you order a leather jacket online. And when it arrives, it smells like plastic and looks nothing like the photos. You sigh, and in German you say, Na toll, ich habe die Katze im Sack gekauft. 5 is Schwein haben. Schwein haben means to have a pig. But this idiom means to be lucky. Let's say you forget to study for your exam, but luckily, the questions turn out to be the things that you remember from class. You survive and your friend says, Alter, du hast echt Schwein gehabt. Another cultural note, pigs have long symbolized good luck in Germany, and you might even see marzipan pigs handed out around New Year's. 6 is Jemandem auf den Keks gehen. To get on someone's cookie. It means to be annoying. He's been singing the same TikTok sound all morning. Geht mir total auf den Keks. 7 is Tomaten auf den Augen haben. To have tomatoes on your eyes. This means to be oblivious. The car keys are on the counter. But sure, go search the whole house again. Tomaten auf den Augen much? Use this when you see someone searching for something that's in plain sight. For number 8, we have Das ist nicht mein Bier. That's not my beer. It means that's not my problem. She wants to date 3 guys at once. Nicht mein Bier. It means that's not my problem. Number 9 is alles in Butter. Everything in butter. This means that everything's okay. Hey, did the landlord freak out about the broken light? Na, alles in Butter. Everything's fine. 10 is kalte Füße bekommen. To get cold feet. This one's the same as in English. It means to get nervous. Hat kalte Füße bekommen und abgesagt. He got cold feet and canceled. 11 is Es ist mir Wurst. It's sausage to me. It means I don't care. Pizza or pasta. Es ist mir Wurst. You're indifferent, and it's not rude. Next we have 12, ins Gras beißen, to bite the grass. This means to kick the bucket in English. For example, in that video game, ich habe ins Gras gebissen. I kicked the bucket in that video game. 13 is einen Frosch im Hals haben. To have a frog in your throat. This means to be hoarse. Entschuldigung, ich habe einen Frosch im Hals. Excuse me, I have a frog in my throat. And 14 we have Das Leben ist kein Ponyhof. Life is no pony farm. That means life isn't always easy. You have to study. Life is kein Ponyhof. 15 we have Durch die Blume sagen. To say something through the flower. It means to say something gently or indirectly. She criticized him, but durch die Blume. That was all of our German idioms for today, German learners. Remember to go to mygermanizedlife.com, follow the link in the description below to get the full lesson and review those German idioms. Bis bald, German learners. Auf Wiedersehen.